Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're great. Today I'll show you a little tutorial about if you don't have Edge extension on your Google Chrome web browser and you get the pop-up error message that is interrupted. It was me happen 2-3 times and I would decide to record you how to easily solve that problem. First of all, you go to PC and open the C folder, go to Windows, then go to System32 and driver, go to drivers, and here on drivers, go to ATC and open ATC. And on the top, you will see hosts. And when I open, you see must be like this. And if you see like this address or anything what you have here down there, just delete, and that host turn on, get back on the desktop. Okay, and delete. Go to open with Notepad. Go to properties and go to here. Go to open with Notepad, and just then go to save. And that host, when you save, just skip and you can, like I said, it's easy, put on the desktop and just copy, go to here and just like you paste and problem will be solved. And that's the easiest method and work great. Work 100%. And guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching and please subscribe on my channel and bye.